Hi everyone, let's talk about Biofrontera. It's a biopharmaceutical company that develops and provides dermatological products for the treatment of skin diseases in the United States. Quite fresh company. They made IPO back in October, end of October, I guess. What was the date? Yeah, 29th of October. So pretty fresh company, and market cap is currently 30 millions. Since it's pretty fresh, the simple Wall Street finds only risks. The revenue has declined, not so much, but still it's here. It's currently declining, and over the past year, 0.5% has less than 1 year of cash runway. Shares are highly illiquid, but I guess it's fixed because currently it's over 100 million. But basically, previous days were pretty sad to see that under 100,000. But anyway, the volumes I think getting higher and higher every day. Negative shareholder equity, which is pretty serious situation, and has less than 3 years of financial data available. That makes the fundamental analysis pretty hard to predict any, for example, price targets or anything, because we don't have any dynamic charts to compare with. Does not have meaningful market cap, which is 30 million, and the price was shrinking, but currently I guess there was some of the news that they reported the third quarter, and so actually they have follow the drug pipeline with follow drugs. So there's 4 of it. All of them are phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3, by the way, basal cell carcinoma, this one. And I guess yes, they don't have any. So the how much it was all time, yeah. So basically 29% from the IPO, and currently this is up as high as 114%. Of course, those numbers are beating the industry and also the US market, but of course you consider this as a highly volatile share. About the company, founded 1997, employees 56. Here we see the fundamental summary. So this is actually not so bad as previous days close. Market cap 30 million, revenue 22, earnings -10. So pretty stable looking company if we compare to previous ones that I made the research. Unfortunately, valuation, so price targets, tip ranks does not have any, market watch does not have any, unfortunately, because this is kind of hard to predict anything, because you see the clinical stages of the drugs, and if something fails, this could straight affect to the price. So we saw this kind of line when they made the IPO. It went many days, actually 1 month straight to decreasing. So from from somewhere around 450 to the 250 actually. How much it was in percentage, for example, if we watch that? Yeah, 43%. So a highly volatile share price. Future growth for the industry 12%. Past performance, last year's earning growth increased by 5.6%. Currently, the company is unprofitable. So those who want stable stocks should invest in profitable stocks. Financial health side, so they managed to increase the equity, but then once again they are decreasing. Not a lot of cash available, 3 million, and I guess they print all the time shares out, so this affect to the price as well. But they might need to print once again because the research is quite fresh, and I think they might be doing the ICO. Anyway, but by the way, they don't have depth, so it compensate a little bit. Balance sheet looks green, but I guess it's not green because equity is on the negative side. So this side should be looking red of the balance sheet. They're not paying dividends. Insider transactions, nothing. Public companies holding 69%, general public 31%. So who is their holding? Biofrontera AG. So is it kind of other company actually? Current valuation 21% or 21 million holding. But anyway, the price is highly volatile. You see the movement from the 250 to the straight to 550, and I guess it's too late to invest in kind of movements because it would go to the correction, and we'll see where would be the support line or resistance. So I guess this kind of, it hits once it hits actually 638 would be new resistance level, and support level would be around 220, I guess. And yeah, they print a lot of shares out. Total sales are not so stable. Actually, this is, sorry guys, this is actually the other stock. If we take a close look at that one, what would it like? Are they? Yeah, they actually printed a lot of shares out. So sorry for that confusing information, but actually they printed from the 0.02 millions to 8 millions shares last 12 months. And actually they might be printing already, because we see the 8 million shares are there, and 3.6 million shares are for the general public. So there's actually 11.6 million shares out. So that's more than that. Total sales volatile, but actually I'm not sure if this is the same company, because 22 million doesn't show right. Anyway, this is all confusing, so I don't like this already. But yeah, those who are making the due diligence have more information, so go ahead, as we say. But for me, this looks too risky. I wouldn't invest in that. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in a video one.